Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to be covering the Mesh Center, Rustdesk, and an Apache Guacamole. Three powerful remote desktop solutions in 2025. Now, first, let's talk about what are these tools. Now, Mesh Central is an open source web-based remote management platform that lets you control devices through a web browser, and it supports agent and agent-less connection, and it is great for the IT admins. Now, choose the Mesh Central if you want a web dashboard with rich features and you're okay with the moderate setup. Now, on to the other hand, the Rustdesk, a remote desktop software that positions itself as an open source alternative to Teamviewer or AnyDesk. It allows peer-to-peer or server-based connections and can be self-hosted. Now, choose the Rustdesk if you want a lightweight, secure, and easy-to-use solution with a freedom to self-host. Now, on to the other hand, we have here the Apache Guacamole, which is a clientless remote desktop gateway access machines using just a browsers and no client software needed. It supports protocols like RDP, VNC, and on SSH. Now, choose the Apache Guacamole if you are managing many types of system and want browsers-only access with a strong enterprise-grade scalability. Each tool excels in different ways. It really comes down to your environment and comfort level with the setup and hosting. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.